What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, got a very special episode for you because I'm gonna collaborate with my homies over there at Just Cook the Damn Food, and I love that channel name too. It sounds like something Uncle Phil would say. Just cook the damn food.
Pick up the damn phone.
So, I'm gonna do my tailgate because this thing is hashtag tailgate life. I'm gonna show you how we tailgate in the greater Kansas City, Missouri area, baby, because you know I love them cheese, baby. So, traditionally, Kansas City, we proud of that barbecue, baby, so I'm gonna show you just how it's done, daddy-o. So, I got myself some chicken thighs, boy, because you know I love that yard bird, that yard. Bam! So, first thing you gotta do, take the chicken thighs, lay them out, and then I want you to go ahead and get some of this seasoning over here. And this seasoning, you know what I'm about to say. It's the famous Dave's rib rub seasoning. Go ahead and take that. I put this shit on everything, put it on there heavy duty. You want full coverage like a 4-3 defense out there, sir. So, go ahead and do that, rub it down, and you're saying to yourself like, oh, shouldn't you have done a little marinade on that, maybe some apple juice or something like that? Well, you know, usually I would, but today, I'm in a little bit of a hurry, and you know what I'm gonna say. I get that over there too, so put that seasoning on there, rub it down, and now, we gotta take our ass outside. We ain't at Arrowhead today, but we going out to the driveway. So, let's pick this up, let's get our sus, and we about to go, aren't we so? A little sus for me too, yeah. That's right, baby. We out here by the grill. And you know, I got to have a little refreshment out here because you know it's September. It's still 95 damn degrees, but that's the thing. When I've been to Arrowhead, man, the one time that I did go, it was cold, man. Freezing rain. Me and my brother were out there freezing our boots. My brother had to give me a pair of OJ's gloves just to stay warm. Anyways, now I'm out here by the grill. I got me something to drink. And you saying like, oh, what you drinking on tonight? You know, I had to have that mango if I was out here with the barbecue. So we go ahead and light our coals, get them lit, baby, just like we are right now, just like you would be out there. You know, usually we be bumping some E40, maybe a little Tech 9. You saying, Black Allen, would you bump a little Taylor Swift? No, but you know, Taylor is coming over tonight and she's not bringing Travis with him, so what's that tell you? So, back to the chicken. Let's go ahead and get that grill lit. Spread your coals out evenly, make sure that they hot to trot. You know, you let them be on fire. And when they get good and gray and ashed over and get to sizzling, baby, go ahead and spread them out evenly. And then you want to go ahead and put your chicken buddies on there. Now, it won't take long to cook the chicken thighs because they're not very thick, boy. They ain't like me. They are a little juicy, but, you know, it won't take long. So, I measure by beer because when you're out at the stadium, you don't have no temperature thermometer, none of that shit, boy. You have to do it by hand. You have to do it by eye. You have to do it by taste and smell. And, you know, that's the thing my brother, he said one time, how do you measure the time? By beer. If you don't drink beer, I guess you can get a little egg timer or something. But about one beer, and then I flip. And then I go back after another beer, and I flip again. You want that good char on there. You want to make sure that chicken's good and done. Like I said, pick you off a biting knife, if you would. So, then go ahead and get that done. Once you get that done, we got to have that sauce because you know that sauce is the boss. So we got that Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce tonight. Go ahead and put some of that on there. Flip it over again one time, and now I think we're ready to take it inside and have a sight and have a big old football bite of some barbecue chicken buddies tonight. What do you think, buddy? But not before I do one more thing that I always do, pre-gaming at the stadium. Stay tuned, buddy. Alright, baby, the time has come. The barbecued chicken thighs, tailgate style, are done. Remember that first bite for my damn self, and you're saying to yourself like, oh, you're not gonna make a sandwich or nothing, man? You're not even gonna try to dress it up a little bit? No, because that's the thing. Tailgate, this is exactly what we would do. We'll barbecue some chicken, get a little piece of chicken in one hand, a little drinky in the other. You ready to go, boy? Who needs any of that stuff? So, let's have a nice little bite, shall we? Man, I was right. Making a mess, but it's good. Best barbecue chicken I've ever made. I knew by the look of it, the smell, but that's the thing. 2 ingredients, simple, delicious. get you something to eat, get you something to drink. Go in the stadium, watch the game, because you know nowadays those Chief tickets pretty expensive. So go ahead and fill up in the parking lot. That way you ain't got to spend no money while you're in there, unless they start charging to use the toilet. But anyways, I want to thank you for stopping by and playing ball on another episode of Cooking with Black Hall. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow on social media. Also, hit the link down in my description and make sure that you follow and watch Cook the Damn Food. Just cook the damn food. Love that stuff, man. Thank y'all for inviting me to your collaboration. Y'all have a good one. I'm going to eat this chicken, turn on that game, have a little mango for the extra point, and we'll see you next time, buddy.